Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we are going to go over the Kimo hammer drill driver. This is compact edition. Now, Kimo did send this to me, with all fairness. Unfortunately, I wish I wouldn't have said I'd do a review on it, but I said I would, so now I got to do a review on it. Let me tell you something. What the guy said to me in the emails, I'll talk to you about at the end. You're not going to want to miss this one, guys, so make sure you watch to the end. Let's go over the kit real quick. It comes in this nice little travel bag. It comes with, this was my battery. It comes with the standard battery. I want to say it's a 1.5. This one doesn't have the fuel gauge on it, where my other Kimo batteries do have the fuel gauge on them. Nice little belt clip. And it comes with actually a pretty helpful little bit set. It has all these stars, which I'm constantly losing or breaking the star bits or Torx bits. So I really like these. It comes with this little nifty set. It also comes with this nifty little, I don't even know what you want to call it, versatile attachment. You can screw stuff at different angles, like this, and it actually works. I thought it'd just be a piece of crap. And then it comes with the charger. This is my battery, the smaller battery, and also some additional drill bits. I don't know where the rest of them went. It came with 5 drill bits, this bit set, bag, battery. I want to say it's $59.99 on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below, guys. You can check it out if you want to. Now, this is their compact version. It is a hammer drill, so we'll go over all the features here in just a minute. The specs on it are first gear, 0 to 350 RPMs. Second speed is 0 to 1350. This is only a 10mm chuck, or 3/8 chuck for us Americanos. Standard features, drill, screw, and hammer. Let's go into screw mode. I want to say that it's a standard mechanical clutch. So we're going to kind of compare it to my older Ryobi. It's about the closest one I could find, guys. It's really hard to find brush drills to compare other drills to. All right, so there's no bar indicator on this one, but you can see green light. It's fully charged up, 1.5. Drill a couple holes. See what kind of power this bad boy has. Do a couple spade bit tests here. Self-feeding. We'll start off with the Daredevil 5/8. We're in drill mode. All right, let's go over to the jaw horse. All right, let's see. Start it off in second gear, or high. See how long it takes to do 2 holes. Start the clock, ready? Whoa. And it drops. All right, clearly can't do that. Let's see if the Ryobi can. Getting a bit of a burning smell from the Kimo. Woo. That thing's smoking? Nope. Guys, I've had this Ryobi for so many years. This is a tried and true Ryobi. Try it on high, fully charged up, 1.5 amp hour battery, 5/8 inch Daredevil. Like butter. All right, pop her down to low. Since the Kimo couldn't do it on high, we're gonna do it in low and compare the two. Ryobi on low, ready? Fully charges up 4. I forgot to mention this also has a battery indicator on the tool, but it's only 3 bars, and the battery has 4 bars. Let's see if we can do it on high, guys. 2 holes. Here we go. Oh, she's smoking, guys. Look at that. You guys getting that? I'm not doing anything special or hard. It's just $1 bit, guys. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Alright. 7/16 inch. Oh, it stinks so bad. Two holes. Ready, get set, go. He's smoking, guys. Smoking like crazy. Holy cow. I blew it up on a 7/16 inch spade bit. Very small bit, guys. Honestly, I was trying to give it a good show, and she's done. Son of a biscuit. Well, guys, unfortunately she died. I couldn't finish the test. I was gonna dock them and blow them up anyways, just for fun. Oh, she's still alive. All right, let's see if we can get it out. Is it in low? It says it's dead. I don't know how it's dead. It's fully charged up 4 amp hour battery. Look at that. That's it. Look at that fucking thing go. Oh, now she's dead. Smoke, baby, smoke. Oh. Well, what can I say? Sorry, Kimo. I tried to give it a good performance. I was going to give it a fair test, and it died essentially on the first hole. I don't know how to tell you. Oh, it stinks. Remember, kids, safety third. Kimo's fighting back. Oh, she's fighting back. Oh, the Ryobi's starting to smoke. Can Kimo come back from the dead and kill Ryobi? Say it isn't so. Oh, she's, I don't know if it's seized up. I think it's just seized up. Oh, it's killing Ryobi. Oh, they're both smoking, you son of a bitch. Oh, man, they do have some torque, I'll give them that. Oh, Kimo's come back to life a little bit. God. Maybe she's got some more smoke left in her. Ooh, the Ryobi's sizzling. Woo! I gotta stop there. I can't breathe. This smoke, this smells so bad. The Kimo is completely seized up. The Ryobi is about on its last leg. So, with that being said, guys, don't forget to stick around. We got lots of good videos still coming. Got 2 more subscriber raffles to give away. Stick around for that. Alright, guys. Until next time, if you want more, check out this video up here. See ya!